Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a new account for Engage if your email address is not already in our system. You'll also learn how to give a gift through your new account. This is the login page for Engage. On this page, because you do not yet have an account for Engage, click on Create Account. Since you've not already provided us your email address, it will not be in our system when you type it in. You will need to create a new account and register in our system. For this tutorial, we will use Generous George as an example. Enter in your email address and then click on Register. Because Generous George is not in our system, it will say No Users Found for this email address. You will need to click where it says, click here to create a new account. After clicking to create a new account, you will need to provide your information. You will need to give your first and last name, a valid email address, and your home address. Once you've entered your information, click Create Account. Now you'll need to provide a username for your account. This can be anything. For this tutorial, Generous George will be using this username for his account. Once you've decided on your username, click on Create Username. After you've created your username, an email will be sent to your email address. You'll need to check your email and copy the password reset code. Then return to Engage and paste the password reset code into the space under Password Code. Once you've entered in the code, click on Check Code. Once Engage has verified the code, you will need to create a password to log into your account. You will need to enter your password again and verify it. Once you're satisfied with your new password, click on Submit. Now you've successfully created a new account for Engage. You'll be led back to the Engage login page. Now we'll walk you through how to log in and give a gift. You will need to enter in your new username and password. For this tutorial, Generous George will be logging in to his account. Once you type in your username and password, click on the Sign In button. Once you've logged on, you'll be brought to the home page of your Engage account. Here you can access your account information and settings. When you want to give a gift, click on the top right tab with your profile name. This will create a drop-down menu. On this menu, click on Giving. This will bring you to the first step in the giving process. Here you will choose between giving towards general funds and long-term missions or short-term missions and local outreach. These accounts hold different funds that you can give to. General funds and long-term missions are our funds that will receive giving on a regular basis, such as our building fund and our long-term missionaries serving around the world. Short-term missions and local outreach are our funds that will continually be updating. These funds are for local ministries and events, as well as our short-term mission trips. For this tutorial, Generous George will be giving to our general funds and long-term missions. Click on the account and continue to the next page. On this page, you can scroll down to see all the different funds you can give to. For this tutorial, Generous George is going to be giving $150 to our general fund. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can see here the total amount of what Generous George is giving. The next thing you will need to decide is what kind of gift that you will be giving, one time or reoccurring. Click on the bar under Give. On the drop-down selection, you will need to choose the kind of gift that you are giving. Once, weekly, bi-weekly, on the 1st and 15th of the month, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Select how you'd like to give. If you choose to do a recurring gift, you can decide if you would like it to recur indefinitely or choose a start and finish date for your gift. Next, you'll need to choose when you would like the gift to be given or to start giving by clicking on the bar under Start Date. After selecting your desired date, click on Continue to move to the next step. The next step is to set up your bank account information. Click on Create New Account. We do not accept any gifts through a credit or debit card. You will need to fill in your bank account information. After entering your information, click on Create Account. Now you should see your payment information. To move on to the next step, click on Continue. The final step is the review page. Here you can review your gift and make sure that everything is correct. You can also leave a gift memo by typing in the space provided under Gift Memo. Once you've checked over all the information and you're ready to confirm your gift, simply click Submit Gift. You've now completed giving a gift, and you can view your receipt here. Thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial and for your generous gift to TBC.